Hey guys, what's up? This is Shan Heather, and right now I'm taking this video from the front facing camera of Huawei Y7 Prime or Y7 Pro 2019 smartphone. It comes with 16 megapixel front facing camera capable of recording 1080p full HD videos. So I'm just trying to give you an idea that if you're going to use this phone for taking selfies or videos, so how good or bad it will be in terms of quality. For both pictures and videos there is flash provided and also the beautification, but if you use beautification on the video recording from the front facing camera, then the video resolution will be reduced to 720p HD only instead of 1080p full HD. The front facing camera of Huawei Y7 Prime or Y7 Pro 2019 also comes with AR lenses that is available for both front facing camera and the rear camera for videos and pictures both as well.